Latest crypto and NFT news. PayPal reports nearly $1 billion in crypto holdings for Q1. PayPal Holdings Incorporated, a major American fintech company, recently released Q1 results revealing that its cryptocurrency holdings are almost worth $1 billion. PayPal posts strong earnings for Q1, exceeding expectations. In its Q1 earnings report, the world's largest online payment company PayPal revealed that it had increased its cryptocurrency holdings to nearly $1 billion. PayPal posts strong earnings for Q1, exceeding expectations. PayPal claimed a combined total of $943 million in cryptocurrency assets as of March 31, 2023, per first quarter reports submitted to the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Surprisingly, PayPal reported that it held about $604 million in cryptocurrencies in the previous quarter, which was a significant increase. PayPal's cryptocurrency holdings are made up of $82 million in Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and Litecoin, up from $63 million, $499 million in Bitcoin, up from $291 million in December, $362 million in Ether, up from $250 million, and more. PayPal takes a bold step with expanded crypto portfolio. PayPal's increased cryptocurrency holdings are evidence of the firm's confidence in the potential of virtual money. The action also reflects the growing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies, which are increasingly being regarded by important financial institutions and corporations as legitimate investment assets. Read the full news or articles at www.NFTStudio24.com.